The building was built in 1900, and it was a single resident occupancy. And one of the really cool parts about the hotel is that in the 50s, Jack Kerouac and Neal Cassady lived here before they went on the road and went out west. For a brief period of time, it was a dorm, and then the current owners purchased it and reopened it in 2013 as the Marlton Hotel.
So the Marlton Hotel was a 1900s historical building that had no air conditioning provisions. And when it got converted to a usable hotel with multiple rooms, we needed to come up with a solution that would save space, leave usable roof space, and be able to accomplish everything that the hotel wanted as an individual comfort. And LG had that solution by using VRF.
Our company chose VRF because, as we are in downtown New York, space is at a premium. So we needed to save the space, and VRF allowed us to do that. We also wanted to keep a lot of these intricate design details. And lastly, it was a very economical way to save money on our HVAC system.
The systems are standalone in the sense that they do not need any supplemental heat, and it gives individual comfort control to each of the tenants in each of the rooms. So everyone's able to control whether they want heating or cooling simultaneously, and they can set the comfort temperature that they need.
The need was for a historic building in the West Village. It's converting from a residential to a hotel. So they wanted to maximize their interior space. So the solution was coming up with a VRF system that was going to take up the least amount of roof space and give back interior space.
Well, LG VRF Series 3 and 4 equipment is actually got a great footprint size which minimizes the impact on the roof. And being able to save roof space allowed the Marlton to actually take half of their roof and turn it into a sunning deck and food deck for their customers and clientele.
Aside from the space saving, I think the efficiency is probably the best feature for the hotel. That alone, on a hotel hospitality type application, that represents quite a bit of return on investment in a relatively short time.
I personally think the best aspect of the system is the fact that the design has been integrated with the functionality. So we didn't lose any of the architectural integrity, and we're able to have this beautiful crown molding and also have the HVAC system located within that crown molding. We're able to hide the vents in certain areas, and so it really does give it an old world sense without compromising that.
It's beginning to become more of an integrated solution every year, every generation. It's getting better. So I'd say for a hospitality application, VRF is the best way to go.